In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stamp to a PDF document in Adobe Acrobat DC. Whether you're looking to mark a document as confidential, approved, or just incorporating your own unique identifier, stamps can be a crucial tool for managing PDF files. Let's dive right into the process so you can effortlessly add stamps to your documents. First, you will want to start by opening the PDF you wish to edit in Adobe Acrobat DC. Make sure the document is open and visible before proceeding to the next steps. Consider taking a moment to familiarize yourself with the document layout so you know exactly where you might want to apply your stamp. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the All Tools tab. This is your gateway to a variety of editing functionalities in Adobe Acrobat. Click on the All Tools tab and a list of action options will appear. These options equip you with numerous ways to modify your document, and today we're focusing on stamps. Now within the list of tools, look for the option that says Add a Stamp. It might be tempting to explore all the other tools, but for now, zero in on this one. Click on Add a Stamp and you'll notice several preset stamps appearing, typically used for professional documentation like approved or draft, amongst others. The next step involves selecting Stamp from the left panel. On clicking, a palette is presented with various stamp categories to choose from. These categories range from dynamic stamps, which can automatically incorporate elements like the date and time, to standard business stamps. Once you've chosen your desired stamp, it's time to place it on your document. Simply click on the spot where you intend to position the stamp within your PDF. Be decisive yet precise as you select the location. You'll see that the stamp appears instantly, merging with the document as if it were there all along. If creativity strikes you and you find the pre-made options less satisfying, you'll be pleased to know you can take this further by creating your own stamps palette and even a custom stamp specific to your needs. This feature can be particularly useful for those who often need to add personalized touches to multiple documents. Explore this customizing feature to design a stamp that bears your logo, a custom message, or anything unique that sets your document apart. Now you've stamped your mark on the document and your work is ready to be shared or archived with that professional touch. Following these steps ensures your PDF documents carry the precise messaging needed. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your PDF files' flow and authenticity. Thanks for joining today's tutorial. I hope you found it informative and that you'll return for more helpful tips in the digital world of document editing.